Righto, onion update. I think I've done it right. I hope so. I hope I haven't rushed. I know I stuffed up in a few spots. I accidentally got me bloody hose on a spot that's really a bad spot to get it on, but anyway, I got it on there. Can't help it. I don't think I got any runs, but it all looks pretty. If I can just get this sort of finish on the whole car, I think that's all that me mate Accurate will be happy with. Try and get this style finish on the whole car. It's quite a hard engine bay because it's so many little nooks and crannies and bits. It was rather hard to do. We'll let that sit for a day or two and hope it's okay.